Amputate mode is a special mode in Torque that allows you to use just one control source, either a CDJ or a turntable, to control either deck in the software. So if you just have one turntable hooked up to a mixer, you can actually switch control back and forth between the decks and continue to mix time and time after again with every new song that you load into your set. Now the way this works is you go into the external control preferences and enable Amputate mode. Now when this happens, when we take a look at the screen again, we don't see the normal absolute and relative buttons that we would see down here. Right now we just have play, pause. Every deck will run internally until you actually click on vinyl for the deck. So when I click on vinyl, put the needle on the record and hit play, that sends the track on the left playing. Now if I were to click vinyl on the right, the track on the left is going to keep playing and vinyl control will switch over to the right side. So I'm going to crossfade to the left, click vinyl, and now you can see that I have control of the second song with the turntable while the first song continues to play. Now unlike normal external control, when using Amputate mode, you adjust the speed of the songs using the speed sliders on Torque's UI. Right now, I've assigned a slider on my trigger finger to actually control this, so I can change the tempo to something like 128 to match the song that's currently playing, and then go ahead and drop in on time. So as I crossfade over, we can hear everything is nicely in sync, just as if I had done a mix using two turntables. So now when I crossfade over to the song on the right, I can click vinyl on the left deck, and now you can hear that the original song keeps playing and vinyl control is now on the other deck. I can load a new song and continue to mix. Another fun thing that Amputate mode can do is it allows you to use Torque's automatic beat matching. Now the way this works, I'm going to switch back to the original song, jump back in time a little bit, and I'm going to click the sync button on the right deck after I switch to vinyl mode. Now you can see the speed slider has been grayed out. That means that Torque has overridden the tempo with what it needs to be to actually match the first deck. I have control of the song, so I can still cue around inside of it, but anytime I release it, it automatically snaps into location and syncs up with the other song. Perfectly in sync. So here you can use Torque's automatic beat detection to lock in everything for you. Or the other option is to click the sync off. It leaves the tempo where you last had it, so now you know that your new song is matched in tempo, but you're free to drop it in time where you feel. Like right there, and then crossfade over. So doing this, you can do this again and again and again, back and forth, and DJ for hours, just using one control source.